If you guys want to download Play Store apps on your PC, like you see right now, I am going to download this app, for example, and as you can see, I'm just going to click install, and it's going to be installed on my PC, as you can see here. And also it's very fast, you can see, and this program is very fast. So if you want to do the same and you want to download Play Store apps on your PC without any problem, you can download games, as you can see here, guys, games. And the best thing about this, it's fast, very fast. So if you want to do this, all you have to do, guys, go to Google, okay? Go to Google and then search for BlueStacks, okay? Just search for BlueStacks. I am going to add the name in the screen, and then click the first result, okay? What you want to do, guys, you want to click this download, okay? Click download this green download, and as you can see here, guys, it's downloaded. What you want to do, guys, you want to open this file, okay? As you can see here, you want to open it and then click yes, okay? Click yes, and you want to click on install. Now it says for me launch because I have already downloaded the app, as you can see here, the program on my PC. But for you, it's going to say here install or download, okay? Just click it and wait like 5 seconds or 1 minute, around 1 minute, and it's going to be installed on your PC. And after it's installed on your PC, you want to go back to your Windows, where you can open Google Chrome, your browsers, and you will see this BlueStacks 5, okay? You will see it here. What you want to do, guys, you just want to click it, and it's going to open. So after it's okay, I'm going to close it and I'm going to open it again so that you can see exactly how it looks, okay? I am going to click it, and as you can see here, guys, you are just wait a few seconds, and it's going to open right now. And here you can see Play Store. You can download on Play Store, you can download YouTube just like I did, and you can download Bigo Live, you can download CapCut, where you can edit videos. You can almost do anything that you do on Android phone on your PC. Like I said, you can download games, you can download everything you want. As you can see here, I'm going to download this game. I really like this game. It's been a long time before I didn't play it. So if this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. If you need any more information, let me know in the comments. I will answer any question you have. Thank you so much for watching.